Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Trina. If this is your first time here, welcome. Before you go any further, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the growing family. Now guys, before I get into this video, I did want to let you guys know that I am doing a Q&A on my channel, and it will be about no other than me. So I figured that it would be a good idea to do a Q&A since I just started a YouTube channel, so you guys can get to know me a little bit, get up in my business a little bit. So if you guys have any questions for me, anything that you would like to ask me, or anything that you would like to know, go ahead and send me a question or a message on any of my social media platforms, and then what I'll do is I'll respond to your questions in a video, and then I'll post it to my channel. So I am on Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, and I believe my name on all three is Miss Trina 89 or Miss Trina. I will put everything right here just to confirm for you guys what my name is on each social media site. So you guys go ahead and submit those questions so I can get this Q&A video up. I know y'all want to get to know me a little bit, get up in my business, try to figure out who I am and what I'm about, and I'm a little nervous about it, so you know, get it while the getting's good. So now that I got that out the way, let's get into this video. So today we are going to be talking about, y'all want to see the BOXY charm. Y'all see that? Yep. And you know, I was a little skeptical about doing this because I did Ipsy before, and I was just like, I wasn't a fan of it. I felt like it was a waste of money. The products was like literally like this freaking small. Like it literally was like a trial size product. You tried it out basically, and if you liked it, you went out and purchased it. I ain't got the funds for that, sis, okay? I need to do something that's budget friendly, and that's what made me choose BOXY Charm. So because I was skeptical about it in the beginning, I said, this causes for a video, because I know I'm not the only one out there that's skeptical about this. So that's what prompted me to do the video. Today is just going to be an unboxing to see if it's hot or not, if it is what it say it is. Now the difference between Ipsy and BOXY Charm. Ipsy gives you them little teeny, inty, winty, small products. I don't know if it's still the same or not, but the last time I was signed up for it, yes, they gave you products about this small, okay? That small. BOXY Charm, what prompted me to sign up for BOXY Charm, I watch a lot of YouTube and a lot of YouTubers, especially with makeup, and a lot of them were talking about BOXY Charm.
BOXY Charm, BOXY Charm, BOXY Charm, like what is BOXY Charm?
So it prompted me to do a little research, check into it, and it's supposed to give you the actual size product. So I'm like, you know, that's what, you know, you can't always believe what you see or what you hear. So that's what prompted me to sign up for it. So we're gonna do this unboxing. Let's hope it goes good. Let's hope BOXY Charm is really what it says it is, and I'm gonna let you guys know if it's hot or not, and you let me know what you think down in the comments down below, okay? So like I said, this is what it looks like. And then you open it. I don't want this to fall out. And it looks like this. It has a little hash. Uh-oh. Sorry about that, guys. It has the hashtag BOXY Charm thing right up there. And then it comes with this little card right here. BOXY Charm. This right here. And then it's like a 10% off code, I guess, if you like wanna. Oh, it's 10% off of It Cosmetics, so I'm assuming that something in this box is from It Cosmetics. And then it just has like this little flyer right here, like that, okay? So I can tell you right now, from looking at it, that these are the actual size products. So let's get into what's in the box. So this is Don't Despair Repair Strengthen Moisture Leave-In Mask. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens. And this is by Briogeo. I hope I'm pronouncing pronouncing that right, but I normally butcher the name of things. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like the light might be blinding it, so if it is, I'll insert pictures. Then, oh, let me tell you guys this. So BOXY CHARM is, in a sense, the same as Ipsy when it comes to selecting what you like. So what you do is you select like what makeup or health and beauty products that you like. Like I like mascara, I like highlighter, I like stuff like that. And I'm getting into eyeshadow and trying different looks with that. So those are like my top picks: mascara, highlighter, and lip gloss and eyeshadow. Those are my top 4. I believe you get 4 top picks. And then you also get to choose what brand you like. So I like Elf, NYX, or NYX, however you say it, Wet n Wild. I like MAC, I like Stella, Kat Von D, you know, stuff of that nature. So you choose what brand you like. You choose like your complexion, what products you like the most or what you use the most. And then they send you stuff based on those answers. So this might actually be good for me because I have dry skin. So I'm definitely going to try this out. Like I said, if you guys want a review on any of this stuff, let me know down in the comments down below. And I'll do a review on the boxes if you want me to start doing that. Because if you guys like these videos, give it a thumbs up. And I'll continue to do my unboxings every month to show you guys what I'm getting in my box. So next, we have the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and this is what it looks like. I don't know why this camera not focusing. I think it's because of this dumb teddy bear right here. I'm filming in Justin room today because I feel like the lighting is pretty good in here. And this is what it looks like. Like I said, if you guys can't see it, sorry, but I'll put pictures down below. And I did a swatch. I'll take a picture of the swatch. This is like the name of it is Crucifix. And I want to say it's like a brown purple color, and it's extremely matte. It's pretty though. It's nice and thick and silky and smooth. Okay. So then we have It Superhero. I've never used this brand, but I've heard about them. And this is mascara. It says elastic stretch voluminizing.
Am I saying that right? I think so.
Mascara. And this is what it looks like. So these are definitely, you know, actual size products. $21 a month. Sounds like it's in the budget. And, you know, I think this would be beneficial to me, guys, now that I started my YouTube channel. So I can review things, tell you guys what's hot, what's not, and it will stay in the budget. So I'm kind of excited about this. This is looking good so far. The Shella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. And I guess it's in taupe. Okay, I'm not quite sure what this is, guys. Yeah, I don't know what this is, to be honest. Because they take it off and it looks like some type of cream in here. But, oh shoot. But then you take this off. What's this say? Eyebrow cream. Okay, so you might dip this. Okay, this is tricky. You might dip this right here into this thingy right here, because it looks like it's some product in here. Okay, so this should be interesting.
I'm pulling it and it's a screw. That's why it wouldn't come off. Duh.
This is by Pure. This is a Midnight Masquerade face palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Okay. Ooh. Now it says, let's see what it says here. Focus camera, it says Midnight Masquerade face palette. Come on, focus. It says eyeshadows, blushes. So it's basically just eyeshadows and blushes. So this looks like the blushes, and it actually looks like you can use some of this as highlighter. And then it looks like these are the eyeshadows over here. So this is pretty. I can't wait to try to use this. And this stuff is really like fall-like. The tones are very warm. Okay, so that's it for this Boxy Charm. I can definitely say for $21 a month, this is definitely worth it. You're getting full-size products. If you're just a beginner to makeup, or you're actually into it and you want to try out new things and learn new things, but you are on a budget and you want to do it on a budget, something budget friendly, because let me tell y'all, some of these products, especially for what came in this box, can be extremely expensive. And like I said, sis, I ain't got it, okay? I ain't got it. I'm just gonna be 100. I ain't one of them people that's gonna be on here faking and fraud. I ain't got it, I ain't got it. So we gonna do what make it do what it do. We gonna try to stay within the budget, and we just gonna help each other out here. I'm gonna let y'all know what's hot, what's not. And Boxy Charm, you get a thumbs up from me. I think this, well, like I said, I think this will be very beneficial to me and my channel, just helping you guys know what's good and what's not. And like I said, if you guys want a review on this stuff, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to do a review. But you guys gotta let me know what you want from me, because I ain't just gonna be out here making videos if you guys ain't gonna like it and watch it. So let me know what you want. And then another thing is, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more Boxy Charm unboxings. So that is it for me today, guys. This was short, sweet, and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until my next one. Deuces.